Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be going thrifting and I'm going to take you guys along and give you a haul at the end. Anyways, let's just get started. When I got there, I saw this cool Ralph Lauren vintage looking tag, but I'm not really into that khaki colored pants, so I just kept on looking for some jeans. Then I found this pair of Levi's, but I wasn't obsessed with the wash and the fit. And I also found another pair of Levi's, but they were a skinny fit, which I don't really like anymore. And then there was this other pair of Levi's that I left in my cart for a little, but I didn't end up getting just because it looked a little too worn in. Then I looked at t-shirts and I found some cool ones, but not much in this section really. And here's how my cart was looking at this time. And I was just showing the shoes here, but I didn't actually find any. And then here was after going to the first thrift store. Now moving on to the next Goodwill, I checked through the sweater section, which I usually don't find anything. And I didn't find anything here today either. But I did think this sweatshirt was kind of cute, but I didn't end up getting it. And this one was also cute, but it ended up having a stain, so I didn't pick it up. So I ended up picking up some stuff for my sister, and I also ended up returning 2 of the things I got because they just didn't fit right. Anyways, let's move on into the try-on section. So the first thing I got was this super cute little cardigan, and I paired it with some light wash jeans and just a pink fitted shirt. And here's how it looks on. And now we have this Coca-Cola sweatshirt, which has some really cool designs. And then I'm going to be pairing it with this black bag that I also found at Goodwill. And this one was really hard to show, but I paired it with some flare jeans that I also thrifted. And yeah. Now we have this Indianapolis Motor Speedway shirt, and I decided to tuck it in, but you could also just leave it untucked and it still looks really cute. And then here I'm showing you that you can also do it front tucked. I was just showing like a bunch of variations, but this one is probably my favorite. And then I paired it with this black jeans jacket that I found, and it looks super cute with this look. And to finish off this look, I paired it with this Tommy Hilfiger bag that I found, and it really goes with any outfit because it's just a neutral color. And here's how it looks on, and I'm really happy with it. And then I found this athletic shirt, and it's just in this hot pink color, and it looks really cute. And you can just use this whenever you're doing anything athletic and still look cute. And last but not least, we have this super cute dress that ties in the back, and I didn't tie it very well in this, but it looks really cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!